Hi guys, today I was doing grammar worksheet on homeschool.
Hey guys, as you can see, Amir just did the introduction. We're just doing a little homeschool, showing you a little bit of our homeschooling today. We always start the day off with worksheets. Right now, Amir is working on his grammar worksheets, and right now you can see he's doing the letter Q. I usually give him about 4 of these a day to do. He just has to read the little top part, and then he writes the letter, capital and then lowercase, and then they always have a little activity at the bottom. So he'll do these first, and then while he's doing that, in a few seconds you'll see Andre on the other side. He's working on his grammar worksheets. There he is right there. And he's working on sentence structure. I actually just started, I put a little desk in the homeschool room right in between the boys, so that way I can like sit in the middle of them and work with one and then turn right around and work with the other. It's actually made things quite a bit easier for me to, work with both kids at the same time. Okay, so right here, Amir is working on some more worksheets. He's working on beginning sounds. So you see the letter L at the top of the worksheet, and he just has to go through and look at each picture and sound the words out, and then circle everything that he thinks starts with the letter L. And then what I have him do on every single worksheet that looks like this, at the top I have him write his name, and it's just a good way to get him to practice how to write his name. And I think you'll see at the end of this one, he writes it so big that he has to put his R in front of his A. So on the worksheets after this one, I have him write his name smaller so that it all fits nicely. And then right here, it looks like I am grading, or not, well, kind of grading Andre's grammar worksheet. He does a lot of work independently, and then I just go behind him and check it. And then I always score it at the top. Sometimes I'll give him stickers. Sometimes I'll just write 100. And then right here, we're going over a new worksheet. I'm reading the directions up top. It's just breaking out subject, complete subjects, compound subjects, and then he has to take the fragments at the bottom and then turn them into complete sentences with correct punctuation.
This is my favorite book on homeschool. It is Bedtime
Okay, so at
Players.
this point, Amir is almost done his grammar. The last thing we do every day with him and Andre as well is we read a book. So today, like he previously said, he's reading his favorite book right now is Bedtime Prayers. And this is the second time we've read this book. It's a short book. I actually think I got it from the dollar store, but he likes it. He knows most of the words. And probably by the end of the week, he'll know the whole book, and then we'll move into the next book.
Hello guys, right now you can see me doing my grammar worksheet. And I'm almost finishing doing my sentence. And then my mom is checking my work.
All right, now it's math time. Amir's doing math. If you guys noticed before in the previous videos, I was doing circles to teach him how to add. So now I'm basically to the point where I'm just putting numbers. And if he can't figure it out in his head, he just draws like little dots on the top, like you see him doing right here, and then he counts them and he's able to figure out the problem that way. So we'll do this for about another week or so, and I'll let him get really comfortable, and then we're going to move into subtraction. Okay, Amir was just dancing a few seconds ago. He's actually done for the day. We did grammar and math. He's read and he's completely done. So now we're moving on to math with Andre. He's doing order of operations and he's doing them on the dry erase board. For bigger problems that have multiple steps, I prefer him to do them on a dry erase board just so he can see it bigger and then I can see it, and it's just better than wasting a lot of paper. Right, Andre's done math, and now we're doing his reading. We're currently reading the Bridge of Tabitha, and we just started. I think we're only on chapter 3. He'll read a full chapter, maybe 2, depending on how he feels, and then pretty much after this, we'll be done for the day. And I actually have a little surprise from the day that you'll see at the end of the video.
So first we're going to show you a floor glass sometimes in this new box. So this new slide kit. So first we're going to use the glue.
Are you reading the directions?
No, you use glue first.
You know that you're supposed to use glue first? So we don't want to read the directions?
No, I see YouTubers make slime.
All right, mommy doesn't watch that. So, step 1, pour the entire bottle of glue into the bowl. Okay, so you're right. Step 2, add a half a tablespoon of baking soda and mix.
Oh, do we have baking soda? Well, we don't really need baking soda.
You don't think you need what the directions call for?
No, we don't really need baking soda. Wait, wait. Now we got the glue. And I got the glue in the ground now. It's fine.
So we're gonna mix all 3 colors.
Oh, wait. No, Amir. Let's just do red and blue. Okay. Get red. Okay. I'll do it. No, let's do the sound. It tastes like farts now. Fart. Okay. Come out. It's like glue on the bottom hiding. Like you move over like this. No, only call me. Sorry. Okay. Alright, that's good. Not here, buddy. Don't use the Ew! That is force down. Oh, and also comment down below if you want more slime videos. So now we're gonna mix our slime. Whoa, I'm so happy! What? Making so rainbow! Yep. Whoa! It's mixing into blue. What? So I gotta keep mixing it until it's like all stretchy and foamy and all that stuff. And we need some water. No, stop. No, Amir, no. So the way to feel it is you gotta do this. Kind of water.
Dre. Alright people, this is why you should read the directions. When I bought the kit, I thought it came with everything you need, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks like we needed contact solution and baking soda, and we have neither one of these two items, so it's not going to get hard. You hear me, Andra?
You just gotta keep waiting. You gotta keep spinning it around though.
You gotta keep what?
You gotta keep spinning it around.
And it's,
I saw you can made it without contact screw and
they just had to keep spinning it?
yeah. And unless it don't work, I think we can water. This is our first time doing the one version. So let's open this one. And if we open this one, Your hand wash.
Do you hold the camera? This part of the video was so funny to me because Andre and Amir were so excited about the slime that they were determined to make it even though we didn't even have all the ingredients. Like Andre just kept adding more glue and then adding more of the glitter stuff. He just kept staring at trying to make it work, but we ended up having to go to the store and get the contact solution and baking soda that it asked for in the instructions on the back of the box. So later on, you'll see the end result product, how it turned out. All right, you guys, so this is the final result. It did get better once we added the baking soda and the contact solution. It's more stretchy now. It didn't get any color, but it did have some of the glitter specks in there. Andre was just showing you that. So I did get another kit. We're going to try it again tomorrow and actually follow the instructions, and then we'll let you know how that turns out. But this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.